guys, welcome to our channel, FoneLab. Taking a screenshot on a Windows laptop is a simple yet useful feature that lets you capture and save what's currently displayed on your screen. You can use it for various purposes, such as capturing important information, creating tutorials, or troubleshooting. In this video, we'll explore several methods to take screenshots on a Windows laptop. Let's begin with the methods using keyboard shortcuts. But before we proceed, please be reminded that keyboards might differ from one another, depending on the brand of your laptop. Now let's take a screenshot with print screen. This method will copy the whole screen to the clipboard, where you can paste any program you use. To do it, locate the print screen or PRTSCN on your keyboard. Press it, and the entire screen will get automatically copied to the clipboard. On the other hand, if you want to take a screenshot of the active window in use, follow this method. Press the Alt key and print screen. Afterward, it will be copied to the clipboard, which you can paste into any program. Another way is to take screenshots with Windows and print screen. All you need to do is locate and press the Windows key in the bottom row of your keyboard. Then press the print screen key. This will immediately save the screen as a PNG image. The image will be in the Screenshots subfolder, available in the Pictures folder on your laptop. You can use the Snipping Tool besides taking screenshots. With keyboard shortcuts, this tool has a more flexible way to capture an image of your likeness. To use it, locate the Snipping Tool on the Start menu. Next, select the Mode option, then a drop-down menu will appear. This option will allow you to take a screenshot shape you want to capture. Therefore, you can take screenshots from full screen to freeform or shapes like rectangles. Meanwhile, select the New option. This will freeze your screen. And use the mouse cursor to take the screenshot you want. Lastly, you can take screenshots through the game bar. This tool is used to record videos and take screenshots within Windows games. To do it, open a game you want to play. While on the game, select Windows key +D to make the game bar overlay appear on the screen. Next, to take a screenshot, select the webcam icon. Then, the screenshot will be saved to your Videos folder in your laptop's subfolder. These methods are freeways to take screenshots from your Windows laptop. Apart from these, there are tools that are convenient and reliable. Check this out. If you need an alternative tool that offers high-quality screenshots and screen records, use FoneLab Screen Recorder. This tool goes beyond expectation because you can record and capture your screen, audio, gameplays, etc. on your laptop. Next, we have FastZone. This tool is convenient for those who makes an article that has how-to tutorials. It is a handy tool for quickly viewing, rotating, resizing, cropping, annotating, and printing images. We also have Snippist. It is a simple but powerful snipping tool and also allows you to pin the screenshot back onto the screen. You can also convert text or color info in the clipboard into a floating image window. The next one is ShareX. It is a free and open-source screen recording and screencasting program for Microsoft Windows. It is used to create full screen or partial screen captures. ShareX is a great tool for anyone who needs to capture or edit screenshots on their Windows PC. If you spend too much time on email and chat, try sending instant video messages and screenshots with ScreenRec. It is a screen recording solution that enables organizations to record and share screenshots and video messages. These tools are convenient and reliable to take screenshots on your Windows laptop. We hope this helps you. For more helpful videos, visit our channel FoneLab. And don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the following video. Thanks for watching.